Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. So today I came with new spoken English practice video, but today's video is very short video because today I am busy because of my sister's wedding, and today but still I want to record a video because I don't want to break my consistency of English speaking practice and of recording a video daily for my spoken English practice series. So that's why I am here again in front of camera and press record button and start this video. So today I am going to Jaipur to attend my cousin sister's wedding, and in village all functions are finished. Now we are going to Jaipur to attend remaining functions. So today so many functions are there that all these functions take a lot of time, so that's why I am busy. So today uh, we have Lagan ceremony, Haldi ceremony and Mahila Sangeet. So these are the functions and these functions are common in every Indian weddings. So in the Lagan ceremony, all family members come together and bless the couple, and everyone happy, enjoy, and positive environment everywhere. So and in next one is Haldi ceremony. In Haldi ceremony we apply turmeric on bride and give them blessings. So in this function also enjoy too much enjoyment are there. And after that Mahila Sangeet, and in Mahila Sangeet ladies come together, women are come together and they sing song, dance, and in this function we have so much enjoyment and clapping, happiness. So today my day is going on very fantastic. I enjoy a lot, but I am busy. That's why I record this video, and that's why I record this short video because I don't want to break my consistency. So this video is very important for me because I want to learn spoken English and I want to practice every day, even 2 or 3 minutes. That's why I speak in this video to learn and to empower my skills, to empower myself and be the best version of myself. That's why, and I improve myself every day. So that's why I am here and I record this video. So I hope you are doing well and enjoying my videos, watching my videos every day. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start learn, and comment in the comment box my mistakes and your favorite wedding function. So thank you so much.